Bearing. What is bearing? Mechanical component by means of which a part in relative motion is supported and or guided with respect to other parts of a mechanism. According to the different friction and bearings, bearings can be divided into two categories: plain bearing, also called sliding bearing, and rolling bearing. Plain bearing mean that the bearing in which the type of relative motion is sliding, and rolling bearing mean that the bearing operating with rolling motion between the parts supporting load and moving in relation to each other because of high standardization, with the result that the selection, lubrication, and maintenance of rolling bearing are convenient and low friction, both starting and running. It's used in general machines widely. However, the unique advantages of plain bearing make them important in situations where it's inconvenient or disadvantageous when using rolling bearing. For example, working speeds are extremely high. There are significant impacts and vibrations. Radial space dimensions are limited, or must be installed separately like bearings on crankshafts, or they need to work in water or corrosive media. Therefore, plain bearings are used in rolling mills, steam turbines, internal combustion engines, railway locomotives and vehicles, metal cutting machine tools, aviation engine accessories, radar, satellite communication ground stations, astronomical telescopes, and various instruments. The above introduces the application of plain bearings. Welcome to leave a comment to discuss the fields in which rolling bearings can be applied.